Are you really safe on a plane, even with a mask? This is how airflow works on an airplane. We created a simulation to test just how safe you really are. Without a mask, we saw that germs spread quickly, but when we tested it with a mask, we saw that there's still the possibility of spreading germs. That's why we created the Stauber Best Airplane Sneeze Guard. The Sneeze Guard effectively keeps air from spreading to other passengers, and people love it. Stay safe with Stauber Best.